Today's the day. Finally. There he is. You ready?
Yeah, man, let's do it.
You prepared?
Got my boots.
Hey. Yeah. We're in the car. It's pouring rain outside, but we're on our way now. We got Matt here. And my dad's the chauffeur today.
Really?
We're on our way to go pick up Jeffrey, and then our adventure actually starts, and we're on our way up to New Jersey. Look at him with his freaking Amazon box everywhere we go.
Reaching for his...
He has to get that content. Gotta get that content. What's up?
Yo, yo, yo.
All right. Are you prepared?
Prepared as ever. Let's do this.
Okay, $21.99 first window, please.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Quick vlog update. We live here-ish, and we're now up past Baltimore. We have to go here. So, still got a long ways to go, boys. Vlog update. We're here. We are in New Jersey. We're about a minute away from the place where we are going to be purchasing my new car.
It's a big deal.
It's a big deal.
It's big.
Oh yeah. Are you excited, Matt?
I don't want the city.
True. Okay, we'll update you when we get there. The car is in that parking lot.
Right.
There it is. Oh, there she is. Oh man, I'm not gonna show you guys yet. All you see is water beads right now. Oh baby. Here she is. What do you think, Jeff? Oh, it's raining. It's so dreary, but oh man. What? Okay, the oil temperature's not hot yet.
Basic stuff first.
Yep. And I want to check
Don't
like the
crash.
I want to check the front lip and everything, make sure there's no like
Looks fine.
yeah.
I looked at it.
Everything's wet. Here we go.
Don't do anything stupid.
Oh, it's just so refined. Oh my god.
Avoid the big puddles too.
I know. I'm not even in a comfortable seating position right now, but it's
Window
fine.
wipers.
Yeah. Wait, is this? Okay. I want to do.
Yeah, those ones on the right.
Oh, it goes up. Okay. Oh, it's so pretty.
Audis are caution. I listen for things, feel the steering.
Yep. That was like an eighth of the throttle. Holy shit. Okay, we're in second gear. That was a quarter throttle.
Yep, that'll work. What do you think so far, Jeff?
Oh my
I
god.
like it.
It's so pretty. Ah!
You can take a right here.
Okay. Okay, I think the car's almost warm enough.
It's wet outside.
I know.
Go.
Quattro, bruh.
Doing no full throttle stuff.
I'm not gonna do any full throttle, but
No,
God! It's so pretty. It's so pretty. Wait, does this open? I'm. Oh, auto downshift.
that was nice.
These windshield wipers aren't good.
Alright, turn, take a... Oh, actually keep going straight. Straight.
Brakes. Feel good.
Damn.
This thing bites, man.
They do.
Dude, this thing is insane.
Green.
I'm not even paying attention. I'm just looking down at it. Holy shit! God, it's beautiful.
Yeah, right turn here, and then you just follow this past the light, and then TD Bank will be back on the right.
Oh man, dude, we started this test drive with 115 miles of range. Even pushing it a few times, it still hasn't gone down. It gets really good gas mileage, actually.
It's efficient power.
It is. I don't know if I'll ever take this thing out of sport mode, man. G-Wagon.
Yeah.
Oh my God,
nice.
it's so pretty. Oof, it's so nice. Oh, you got the video. Nice. All right, cool. Very clean. All right, so this is the intake that you got a new intake, right? Is it AWE as well? Yeah. Got the pulley.
Oh man.
Power plant. 452 horsepower. All right, guys, sorry I haven't been updating you. I'm in the car now. We just got back from the test drive.
Oh man.
I haven't even thought about picking up the camera. I've just been enjoying this moment too much. Oh my God, I am in love. This car is amazing. Over 450 horsepower. Oh, it's so fast. It's so nice. Oh my God, I'm so happy to be driving a car like this now. It's not official yet, but oh, thank you, my shirt. But we're getting closer. We're about to go sign the paperwork right now, so.
I approve. I like this. That's fast. Sounds like an Indy car. Amazing.
Car.
Mm-hmm.
Quattro. There it is.
Even in the rain, she's so pretty. All right, so we're here at Founders headquarters in Newark. We're at Munchies.
Next door.
Exactly. So Founders is over there. But yeah, this is my boy Brian. He hooked this up. Yep. And we're gonna go to an event together here in a minute. And yeah, it's pouring rain outside and it's really depressing. But it's all good because I have a new car and I'm happy. So yeah, this is Brian Ferrari. If you like his last name, like this video. She's sitting out there all alone in the rain. This is everyone that came out to meet us here at Munchies in Newark. So check it out. All right, we're gonna go take a photo in front of the car too. So that'll be sick. How did you open my trunk? Hey! Okay.
Here, I'll take it.
Ooh, for sure. That's nice. That's nice. All right, guys, I do want to apologize because I have been slacking so much on this vlog today. We've just been so busy up here.
Too much fun.
Yeah, we connected a lot with some people from Founders. So we went to 2 different things, a restaurant to meet up with a bunch of JR Garage fans and guys from Founders, and then we met up with Brian Ferrari, as you guys saw, and we actually ended up going to an event that Gerard Adams' sister put on for her new company. Project Muse. Yeah, Project Muse. But anyway, yeah, we just left that event. We're just sitting in the car now. We're waiting for another person that we're meeting up with. And then after that, we're going to meet up more people down a little bit further south in New Jersey. So super busy day. That's why I haven't picked up the camera a ton. But yeah, I'm loving the new car.
A lot
still
of driving ahead of us. It's gonna be
and it's raining a lot.
There's actually a lake up there.
So there's a lake right there, and we accidentally drove through it, and it was really scary. But yeah. Yeah, that's basically the vlog update. I guess I will talk to you guys when Chucky gets here, and then when we're on the road again. All right, so we're just chilling here at Popeyes. We got Chunky and Evo over here. Hey. All right, yeah. So yeah, we're gonna be heading out here in like 5-10 minutes, and then we're heading home. And it's still pouring rain outside, so it'll be an interesting drive. We got like 4.5 hours until we get back home, so we'll see what happens.
Damn, it looks so clean.
Dude, thank you.
Huh? Take a picture. I just want everybody to check out the new Audi S5. Yo, 2013 said we still don't buy a car.
Yeah.
You
all right, here.
love when people rev their car.
Guys, feel free to hop in. I'll just get you guys. Let me get in first. Yeah.
I didn't know when people love when they rev their car. Start to warm it up.
All right, guys, we're in Delaware. We're in Maryland now. So we're almost home. I'm really hungry, actually. Now that I think about it, Jeffrey, feed me. Oh, he gave me chicken. I was expecting a pretzel. Fuck.
How do you feel about that?
Savage level, too high. They won't get it. It's an insider thing.
So, we got Popeyes and those little pretzel bites from Auntie Anne's. And he gave me the pretzel bite, and I thought it was gonna be chicken. So I was expecting chicken, so I ate it, and it was all sweet and sugary and cinnamon. And I was like, shocked. So then he fed me a couple more, and then when I just asked for food just now, he gave me chicken instead of the cinnamon bites. Now my brain and my mouth is all confused now. So yeah, vlog update.
Vlog updated.
The vlog has been updated. Oh my God, I love it so much. It's not loud enough. It needs to be louder. I'm just kidding. I'm not gonna make this louder because I'm straight piping my car that I'm getting this summer. Should I tell them? No, I'm just kidding. No, I'm not.
Stay tuned.
I'm not telling you. This is just my daily, if that gives you any hints.
Jeff has 9 dailies.
Ready? Here we go, boys. I'm gonna go to the right a little bit.
Just don't make a scene.
Ready?
Get straight first.
Yep. Go.
Go.
All right, guys, I'm finally home. Oh my God, that was a long day. It is, what time is it? It's almost 10 o'clock. Remember, we left my house right here at 6 this morning, so 15-hour day. I'm so tired, I'm about to go to sleep and then actually wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning to go to another car show tomorrow morning. I might vlog, might not, we'll see. Gonna get some sick rollers of the car. So yeah, it should be interesting, and thank you guys all so much for watching. I am looking forward to bringing all of you into my adventure with this car, and not only that, as some of you might know, I just graduated high school, so I am done. I'm a free man. So not only the adventure with this new car, but I'm probably getting another car this summer, and then also just overall my adventure over the next year of my life. It's gonna be a wild ride, and I hope that you guys join me on it, and I'm so excited. You know, this was my first day since I've been out of school, and I went and I just bought one of my dream cars. So I'm in a good mood, to say the least. Yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.